Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. Today's topic is money. As you know, when you go to market to buy something, what you have to give? Yes, you have to give rupees or paise according to the product you want to buy. Let me show you some of the rupees. Can you tell me what is the value of this note? Yes, it is 500 rupees note. 500 is written in that. So it is 500 rupees note. Let me show another one. What is the value of this note? Yes, you know it is 100 rupees note. 100 is written. And you can see the symbol of rupees also. Here. This is 50 rupees note. 50 is written. Isn't it? And one new currency has been introduced, that is rupees 20. And its color is different from the earlier rupees 20. See, 20 is written in this. In this way, you can find 2000 rupees note also, 5 rupees note, 10 rupees note. I will show you the pictures of those notes. And we have coins also. That also you can see in pictures. 50 paisa, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupees. All can be seen in paisa. Now, let's study few important points about money. Dash is the symbol of rupee. Just now I showed you note in which symbol was there. See, this is the symbol of rupee. So, this is the answer. You will put one line here, and like R of Hindi you will write, and it will become symbol of rupee. 1 rupee is equal to how many paisa? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. It means if I say I have 5 rupees and convert it into paisa, then what do you have to do? You have to multiply it by 100. 5 into 100. It will be 500 paisa. That we will do later on in the other class. How to convert rupee into paisa. Dash is used for paisa. It means what is the symbol of paisa? P is the symbol of paisa. In India, we use rupee and paisa as a currency. Hope you understood these important points. Let's come to fill up the blanks given in page number 143. First fill up the blanks is, we can exchange a rupee 10 coins for dash rupee 5 coins. It means if you have 2 5 rupees coin, then it will be equal to 10 rupees. 5 plus 5 is 10. So answer will be 2. We can exchange a rupee 10 coins for 2 5 rupee coins. Okay. As 5 plus 5 is 10. So 5 rupees plus 5 rupees will be 10 rupees. Now come to the second fill up the blanks. Second question is, we can exchange a rupee 5 coin for dash rupee 1 coin. It means if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins of rupee 1, then it will be equal to 5 rupees. So here you will write 5. When you will have 5 1 rupee coin, it will be equal to 5 rupees. Third question is, we can exchange a rupee 10 note for dash 5 rupee coin. Now as you know, 5 plus 5 is 10. So you have to write here 2. When you will have 2 5 rupee coin, which is equal to 10 rupees. 5 plus 5 is 10. So the answer will be 2 5 rupee coins will be equal to 10 rupees. Now come to the fourth question. Fourth question is, we can exchange a 100 rupee note for dash 10 rupee note. As you know, 10 tens are 100. So here you will write 10. 10 rupee note will make 100 rupee note. Fifth fill up the blanks is, we can exchange a 50 rupee note for 10 rupee note. As you know, 10 fives are 50. So you need 5 10 rupee note to make 50 rupees. So you need 5 10 rupees note which will be equivalent to 50 rupees. Hope you understood. Thank you and have a nice day.